Last week, the United States Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, taking away the constitutional right to an abortion. Yesterday, we spoke with a local pro-life advocate to get her reaction to the decision, and today Lisa Sugart speaks with someone from Planned Parenthood, Keystone.
I'm very pleased to be joined right now by Melissa Reed. Melissa is the president and CEO for Planned Parenthood Keystone, and that is for Northeastern and Central Pennsylvania. Melissa, what was your reaction when you heard the decision from the United States Supreme Court?
Well, even though we anticipated the decision, it was really devastating. It is such an unjust and cruel decision, and the impact on women and people who can get pregnant across the United States is going to be terrible.
What's been the reaction to your office? Have you received calls as a result of the decision?
We've been receiving a lot of calls from our patients. They have confusion about whether or not abortion is still legal in Pennsylvania, which it is. And so we've been encouraging them to, yes, come in for your appointment. We are here for you. And we have been expanding availability of abortion so that we can make sure that we don't turn anyone away.
And that's something you're trying to explain, that the Supreme Court now pushed it back to the states. So it is up to each individual state to decide whether or not abortion will be legal. So right now, abortion remains legal in the state of Pennsylvania. Is that up to 24 weeks? Am I correct in that?
You are correct. It is legal up to 24 weeks. There are significant efforts by the legislature right now to reduce or eliminate access to abortion, including they're trying to pass a constitutional amendment to put before voters as early as 2023. But it's very important that people know that right now abortion is legal in Pennsylvania.
Planned Parenthood, it's not only abortions. So you have a variety of services that you provide to women. Are people concerned? Are they getting confused that they think those services will not be available?
Well, I haven't seen a lot of confusion about whether there'll be access to contraception and STI testing and treatment or cancer screenings. But in the decision that the Supreme Court gave on Friday, Justice Thomas did say that the ability to use contraception, which was decided under that same foundational principle that Roe was decided on, could be up for question. So that means that the Supreme Court is open to reconsidering whether contraception should also be legal across 50 states.
When we talk abortions in Pennsylvania, I saw a number that it was over 32,000, just over 32,000 in 2020. How does that affect our area? Is this equally spread out throughout the state? Are there more in certain areas? What do the numbers look like in our area?
Well, we have seen the need for abortion increasing. Certainly, large population centers have larger need for abortion care. What we anticipate with this new decision is that an additional perhaps 8,500 people will be coming to Pennsylvania from out of state to get an abortion. And so it is incumbent upon us to make sure that those people know that they can get an abortion here and that it is available across the state.
When there are these abortions done in Pennsylvania, do you see like a more common reason than others, or is it a variety of reasons?
Well, I think the reasons for someone getting abortion are as different as the person who's there that day. Every reason is a valid reason. And what's important is that we don't stigmatize or shame people for their decision, but we're just there to provide that compassionate, non-judgmental care.
Does anything change now for your organization because of this decision?
Yes, so we are working on hiring more providers so that we can increase availability. We're offering medical abortion through telemedicine, a secure video link with patients and a doctor. We are also providing medical abortion by mail. So once a patient has received their informed consent and done their lab work, we can mail medical abortion directly to their home in Pennsylvania. So we're really trying to eliminate as many barriers as we can to access.
What is the main thing you want to get out today to our viewers in regards to this whole situation?
The main thing is abortion's legal in Pennsylvania. We are going to be here for you no matter what, no matter where you're from. We are raising money through our Fund for Choice to make sure that we have funds available to help patients if there are economic concerns for travel, for childcare, or for cost of the appointment. So we're here for our patients, and our doors are open.
Today's news feature is brought to you by Falvello Law Firm. Have you been injured in a car accident? Call Falvello Law Firm. Your case is our fight.